I will quickly teach you how to create your own professional business email. So for creating your own professional business email, type in your browser bluehost.com, and then here on the top right corner you will see this login button. So click on login. Now here you will see two options, hosting login and webmail login. With hosting login, you can log into your Bluehost account from where you can access your control panel. And with webmail login, you can log into your business email. But right now we don't have a business email. So first we will log into the Bluehost account, and from our control panel we will create a professional business email, and then we will come back and we will log into our webmail from here. So for logging into your Bluehost account, type here your domain name and then type here your Bluehost account password and then click on the login button. Now here on the left hand side you can see this advanced option. So click on this. So this is your control panel, and here you will search for email accounts. So this is the email accounts option. Just click on this. Now here click on the create button and then type here your username. For example, affiliate@yourwebsitename.com or support@yourwebsitename.com or admin@yourwebsitename.com. So for demonstration I will write here something like test and then enter a password for this email here. Then scroll down and click on the create button. So the email is now created. Now we will log out of our Bluehost account. So I will click here and then I will click on the logout button. So after logging out of your Bluehost account, search in your browser bluehost.com. Again click on the login button, and this time we will click on the radio button for webmail login because we want to log into our business email. So I will select the radio button for webmail login, and then here I will write the email that we just created. And then I will write the password here. And then I will click on the login button. Now here it will provide you two webmail options, Roundcube and Hardy. So I mostly use Roundcube, so I will click on Roundcube. So this is our business email account, and from here we can send and receive emails. So this is how you can create your own professional business email.